In this video, we're going to look at how we can specify an email alert address. So when someone completes our subscribe form, you can optionally specify an email address that a copy of the completed form will be sent to. This is perfect if you wish to receive an internal notification every time someone subscribes to your newsletter. By default, this is turned off, but if we want to turn it on, from the setup menu on the right, head over to the email alert section here. To activate, we just need to click on the tick. Now we'll be asked to key in an email address. So let's enter our email address here. Okay, that's done. So every time someone completes our subscribe form, a copy of this form will be automatically sent to the email address we provided in this box.